Good morning. My name is Anar Shavardhan. I am from ECE department. Roll number 244G180443. Subject name is differential equations and vector calculus. Subject code 23 MAT02. Topic vector calculus. Problem. Find the work done is moving a particle in the force field. F bar equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xy minus y into j plus zk bar along the straight line from 0, 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3. Solution is work done equal to integral c f bar into dr bar. Therefore f bar equal to 3x square I bar minus I bar plus into 2zx minus y into j bar plus zk bar. Therefore r equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Dr bar equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. And work done integral c f bar into dr bar equal to integral c 3x square I bar plus 2zx minus y into j bar plus zk bar into dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar equal to integral c 3x square into dx plus 2zx minus y into dy plus z dx. Given c is line joining 0, 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3. This is the formula of line joining. X minus a naught by a1 minus a naught equal to y minus b naught by b1 minus b naught equal to z minus c naught by c1 minus c naught. Therefore a naught equal to 0, b naught equal to 0, c naught equal to 0 and a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1 and c1 equal to 3. Substitute in above equation. X minus 0 by 2 minus 0, y minus 0 by 1 minus 0 equal to z minus 0 by 3 minus 0 equal to t. Therefore x equal to 2t, y equal to t, z equal to 3t. Dx equal to 2 dt, dy equal to dt, dz equal to 3 dt. Using 0, 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3 value of t, various 0 to 1. Substitute dx, dy and dz in integral c into f bar into dv. Integral c f bar into dr bar equal to integral c 3x square dx plus 2zx minus y into dy plus z dx. Integral 0 to 1 into 3 into 2t square into 2 dt plus 2 into 3t into 2t minus t into dt plus 3t into 3 dt. Integral 0 to 1 24t square plus 12t square minus t plus 9t into dt. Integral 0 to 1 36t square plus 8t into dt. Integral 0 to 1 36t square plus 8t into dt. Therefore 36 into t cube by 3 plus 8 into t square by 2 whole power 0 to 1. 36 into 1 cube by 3 plus 8 into 1 square by 2 minus into 36 into 0 by 3 plus 8 into 0 by 2 equal to 36 by 3 plus 8 by 2 minus of 0 plus 0 equal to 12 plus 4 equal to 16. Thank you.